Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one, I'm going to the benchmark test comparison between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor versus Snapdragon 870 processor. Right now I do have the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor from the iQOO Neo 6 device, which is a Chinese variant, and right now I do have the same iQOO Neo 6, which is an Indian version, which has got the Snapdragon 870 processor. As you can see friends, both phones are iQOO Neo 6 models, and it is a Indian version and it is a Chinese version. You can see the difference right regarding the processor. So Snapdragon 870 versus Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. So today I'm going to do the benchmark test comparison side by side both phones. At same time we'll try to observe what about the temperatures. So which phone can increase what kind of high temperatures while performing this kind of Antutu benchmark test side by side in the same iQOO Neo 6, but with the different processors and with the different versions, Chinese version versus Indian version. So let's get started with the benchmark test comparison between this both phones. Right now, as you can see friends, I'm trying to use the same benchmark version 9.3.8, same version, and without using any monster mode, I'm trying to do the test right now at this moment. So between the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor versus Snapdragon 870. So here's the real-time temperature readings which I did use between these both phones. We'll try to find out the temperatures, how much high temperatures the both phone can actually increase up to. And I'm going to be back after some time again to check the temperatures between these both phones. We'll try to find out what's going on with the temperatures between these both models. So as I said, this is the same like iQOO Neo 6 name, but Chinese version and the right now, as you can see friends, between these both mobile phones regarding the temperatures at this moment, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor versus Snapdragon 870 processor. So it's of 30 degrees Celsius right now the temperatures, and it's about 36 degrees Celsius, as you can see clearly between these both phones right now at this moment. So as I said, both phones are like iQOO Neo 6 names only, but this is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and this is a Snapdragon 870 processor. That's the difference. So definitely the temperatures are slightly higher in the 8 Gen 1. I can be back after some time. As you can see friends, finally the iQOO Neo 6 with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor did score about 10 lakhs 8,000. You can clearly see with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. And right now with the Snapdragon 870 it's going on. But look at the temperatures, it's about 36 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius in the iQOO Neo 6 device with the Snapdragon 870. So that's the difference between these both regarding the temperature readings. So which I thought of showing you guys. So like how much difference you can actually expect regarding the temperatures. 7,33,000, so which is also really huge for the Snapdragon 870, I would definitely say that. But meanwhile, you can look at the temperature readings and how much battery got dropped while doing this kind of benchmark testing as well between these both phones. And CPU scores 229 and 196, and the GPU is kind of double score, I can say, as you can see, which is not bad. So definitely friends, the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, so you can see the temperatures, that's the main thing. We do know the score will be definitely very high, but I just want to compare regarding the temperatures, how much difference you can actually expect between these both phones. So this is what it is between these both phones regarding the temperature readings. So meanwhile, signing off friends, thank you for watching. Until instead of more updates, and definitely I'll try to thank you friends, see you in the next video, and definitely I'll try to do the comparison with the Origin OS versus FunTouch UI. What are the differences you can actually expect between these both UIs as well. I'll definitely cover this topic very soon. So stay tuned for those videos in case if you're interested. Until then, signing off and bye.